How's it going? This is my my third attempt. I'm trying to do a booster pack opening video. I just got back from Walmart to buy the Phantom Forces, but didn't have any, so I just bought 5 packs of the Legendary Treasures. My wife got a little too excited and she already opened one. I have not looked at them, so let's see. She said she already did the cards. She moved them. So here we got a Piplup, a Zora, Solosis, Tepig, Radiant Collection, Teddiursa. I think I have one already. Oh, I got 2 now. Crystal, Servine, Seismitoad, a reverse Sewaddle, and a Radiant. Is it Radiant Collection? Yes, Piplup. Awesome. I think I have that one too. So here's number 2. New 2-pack. So okay, I should just took them out the box first. Quick card. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have a Snivy. I think I've seen something. Oh, I know, got a good card. Snivy, Dwebble, Croagunk, Natu, Reverse Gothitelle, Radiant Collection, Cardia, whatever, Plusle, Dujan, I don't know. Victini EX, and Emolga Radiant Collection. I already have these, so I have 2 more. Awesome. So pack number 3. 1, 2. Alright. So we got a Croagunk. Focus. Croagunk. Magikarp. Charmander. Release over. Charmander. Oshawott. Routes, Radiant Collection Routes, Gothorita, Swadloon, Empoleon, and Amelia. Is it Radiant Collection? Yes, it is. Cool. I got more than 2 on. Two. Okay. So we got Snivy, another Dwebble, Croagunk, Natu, Reverse Crushing Hammer, Radiant Collection Alyssa. I'm not sure if I have that one. I think I do. Stunfisk, Minun, pair of those. Oh, it looks pretty cool. What is this? Stunfisk Ray collection? Oh yeah. Well, I know I don't have that one. Last pack. Reshiram. Right. 2, 3, 1, 2. So we got a Woobat, Minccino, Solosis, Gibble, a reverse Articuno. It's pretty cool. Torchic, all rated collection. Gothorita, Swabloon, Toxicroak, and Radiant collection, Superior. Awesome. That was a nice card. Focus. There you go. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this. If you're not watching, then no thanks to you. That's my first real booster pack opening video. I want to give some shout outs to Cephasmon and Pickles that are my idols. Alright guys.